2008 Forest River Sierra 335Q for sale in Holly Hill, Florida. 32117. This 2008 Forest River Sierra is ready to take you anywhere your heart desires. This fifth wheel is 38 feet in length and boasts 4 beautiful slide-outs and 4 power awnings. There is a charming floor plan that will comfortably sleep up to 10 guests. You can finally cherish every single moment of your RV experiences because this unit provides you with all conveniences of a home away from home, and plenty of storage space to make packing a breeze. Get ready to make lasting memories with loved ones and friends in this Damon Challenger. It comes fully loaded and it has been meticulously maintained. Some of its spectacular amenities include leveling jacks, great cooking area with 3-burner stove, microwave, and sink, refrigerator, freezer, kitchen booth area for seating, 4 bunk beds, queen-size bed, pull-out sofa, prime relaxation storage, dresser, 2 TVs, DVD player, CD stereo, full master bath with shower, power mirrors and cruise control, vacuum power, boost antenna, smoke detector, plus much more. This 2008 Forest River Sierra, it is priced to sell. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own the fifth wheel you've been searching for. Don't hesitate. Call today for more information on how you can reach your destination in this unparalleled 2008 Forest River Sierra. It is priced to sell. Please contact the seller for more information. 386-506-1247. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://Select Vehicle Marketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online, or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment, including financing, shipping, warranties and more.